Good day everyone, I will show you strategies for trading binary options with the use of MetaTrader. By attaching special indicators. The Ultimate Signal Indicator, Ultimate Trend Indicator, and the Ultimate RSI bars, which can be downloaded at ultimatefxtools.com. Also the Ultimate Zigzag Indicator, which is free. See the whole video to download the Ultimate Zigzag Indicator for free. Look at my previous trades with almost 90% wins. Absolutely amazing results. Here I will demonstrate on how to install the system. All you need is a system running Windows or a Mac. 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. Just open the MT4 setup. Then run the setup. Click Next, then wait for the installation to finish. As you can see, I have ultimatefxtools package at my desktop. It is full of indicators, expert advisors, strategies, and more. I will separate the indicators needed for our strategy to the desktop. After installation, we are now at the MetaTrader 4 window. First we need to create a demo account. Let us create on any demo server available in the Alpari. Then type in your login credentials. After that, check the box, I agree to subscribe to your newsletters. Let us close first the windows. Let us create a new window, GBPUSD. We need to copy the indicators to the MetaTrader 4 system. This is how to copy and paste it to the MetaTrader. First copy the desired indicators. Then open Data folder, MQL4, and the Indicators folder. Paste the copied indicators in the Indicators folder. Let's refresh the MetaTrader to install the indicators. Let's find our indicators, then attach it to the chart. The Ultimate RSI. Ultimate Signal. Ultimate Trend. And you can also use the zigzag free at MetaTrader. It's simple as that. Okay, now look at the chart. The Ultimate Signal produce its SPY arrow. The RSI bars has strong red downtrend color. And the Ultimate Trend has super downtrend. We will stop the trend and make a reversal. Let's trade with it. You can download the tools and indicator at ultimatefxtools.com. Look at this chart, another signal. Let's trade with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell notification button to see updates trading with binary options.